Take your bathroom to the next level of luxury with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This sleek 1200 by 700 mm enclosure is the perfect solution for those aspiring for style and functionality in their corner shower space. Featuring a space-saving sliding door design, the KV6 doesn't intrude into your bathroom, making it ideal for compact spaces. The frameless side panel and 6 mm thick safety glass create a light, spacious feel, turning your daily shower into a spa-like experience. The robust chrome finish of the shower door guarantees longevity while bringing in a hint of elegance. With its superior water containment, you can say goodbye to puddles on your bathroom floor. Easy, convenient access means no more awkward manoeuvring to get in and out of the shower. Don't compromise on quality. Choose the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure for a bathroom upgrade that combines form and function seamlessly. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.